Welcome to my YouTube channel Spice of Life. Craving something bold, spicy, and packed with deep flavor? Today let's cook chicken bhuna that hits different. Heat some oil in a pan, add bay leaf, red chilies, cinnamon, and crushed whole spices. Saute for a minute and now add onions. Saute the onions until they are translucent. Once the onion is light brown in color, add finely chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies and cook for a minute. Next, I am adding chicken and cook until it is browned. Now add turmeric, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, and some chicken masala. Stir it. Now I'm adding some garam masala and let's cook the chicken for until 20 minutes on low medium flame. As the sauce simmers, the flavors will melt together and chicken will absorb all the spices. This is not your average curry, it's a slow cooked, spice loaded masterpiece where every bite packs a punch. Let's dive into the secrets behind this classic Indian dish. And trust me, once you make it, there is no going back. After 20 minutes of cooking, chicken is tender and the sauce has thickened up. The chicken bhuna is ready and it looks amazing. Garnish it with some fresh coriander. If you're looking for a simple and delicious recipe, this chicken bhuna is a great option. It's easy to make and packed with flavors. Don't forget to leave a comment below